In this video, I'll show you how to check your system specifications on Windows. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. It really helps out the channel. First way to check your system specs is by heading over to your computer's settings. Just click on the Windows icon and then select Settings. If you can't find it easily, just use the search bar and type in Settings. Once you're in, make sure you're in the System tab, and scroll all the way down and click on About. Here, you'll see your device name, processor, installed RAM, and down below the Windows version you're currently running. Now this gives us some basic info. But if you're looking for more details, like your graphics card wheel, need to dig a bit deeper, go ahead and close the Settings window, head back to the search bar, and type System Information. Click on it when it appears. Now this is where we get a more detailed breakdown. Right on the summary page, you can see your processor and the amount of physical memory in my case. It's 16 gigabytes of RAM. But let's say you want to know what graphics card you have. On the left-hand side, expand Components, then click on Display. Wait a second while it refreshes, and right at the top, you'll see the name of your GPU. For me, it's the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660. You can also explore storage by expanding that. Section 2, see all your installed drives. And that's it. Quick and easy way to check your system specs on Windows. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.